Using Fundy to create parent albums has been a complete game changer for us over the past 5 years. Hey guys, it's Seth from Seth and Beth Wedding Photography in Akron, Ohio. We take the time to connect with our parents, and in turn, they reward us with big album purchases. We went from being $3,000 photographers to $10,000 photographers by simply offering albums to our parents. At times, our revenue off a single wedding would double when a parent would get an enormous album or set of albums. So I'm gonna jump on the computer and show you how you can quickly duplicate a client's album, send it to your parents, and give them a chance to buy one too. I did this just yesterday. This is Katie and Viren. Katie's mom wanted a couple albums. Her 2 new albums generated $6,000 for her business. So yeah, it's just incredible. So I go up here to my albums. I made a bunch of copies, but in general, say we're on album 1. This little icon right here allows us to duplicate this album. You got it? Super simple. Then we click on the copy, and we can start making changes. Obviously go in, change layouts, delete photos. Super fast, fly around, get it done. Once we're done with the album, we can export it and get it into Proofer, and then send over the proof of this new album to our parents. An incredible feature that we use all the time. Thanks, guys.